This is the harvester. She runs a big farm and needs your help to pick the crops that are ready to be harvested. Use the move and turn blocks to get the harvester from crop to crop. Then, use the pick blocks to collect all of the corn, lettuce, and pumpkins. The bottom right corner will show you how many are available at that spot. If you see more than one, you'll need to pick the crops multiple times in the same square. Keep an eye out for sprouts. You won't know what crop those are or how many there are until the program is run. So your code may need to check what kind of crop is there before picking it. The sun is shining and it's time to harvest. Let us get started.
Have we met before? I'm the harvester. Help the harvester get to the pumpkin and pick it. Ooh, veggies are cropping up everywhere. Now help the harvester pick all of the corn on the way to the pumpkin at the end. Note, every square on the way to the pumpkin either has one corn or nothing at all. Use the provided check for corn function to make sure you get everything. Use the function to help the harvester pick the corn and pumpkins. Each sprout will either grow one corn or nothing. I feel so functional. Now there are multiple pumpkins in each patch. Look carefully at the function definitions below to figure out how to use each one. Each sprout will either grow one corn or nothing. Great! Try your functions out on a longer path. Did you notice that there was a lot of repeated code in that last puzzle? We can save space by calling that code pick along path and using a new function to call the other functions. Use pick along path to solve this puzzle again using fewer blocks.
You've already learned to use and edit functions as a part of an efficient program. Now, let's learn how to create and use a function from scratch. To do this, look for the category called Functions in the toolbox. Here, you'll see a block called Do Something. Drag that block out into your workspace and rename it to something new that better describes what your function will do. I'm calling this one Make a Square. From here, you can drag blocks into the function to specify what you want to happen when the function is used. With our function created, you can see that a new Make a Square block appears under the Functions label in the toolbox, so that we can actually use or call our create function from our program. This is an important step that's easy to forget. Okay, time to continue on and get creative with your own functions.
Functions let us do more with less work. Create a function that sends the harvester down a square path to pick a single head of lettuce from the middle of each row. try writing your function again. Is it still helpful? How can you make it work for this puzzle? This puzzle is amazing. Is your function still helpful for this puzzle? Challenge: use everything that you've learned so far to solve this puzzle in 19 blocks or less. Solve this puzzle in 23 blocks or less. Each sprout will either grow one corn or nothing. To find the best solution, you will need to edit the functions directly. Look at the functions defined below. What will the harvester pick? The harvester will pick 2 pumpkins. The harvester will pick all of the pumpkins. The harvester will pick the lettuce. The harvester will pick the corn.